So, Telegram has added a new AI feature to your chats. You might have noticed it already. When you type a longer message, this little pop up appears offering to rewrite it for you. Some people are fine with it, but if you want it gone, let me show you what you can do. Here's what's actually happening. When you type about 3 lines or more in a message, a little AI button pops up. It offers to improve your writing, fix your grammar, change the tone, that kind of thing. It's not doing anything in the background, it only appears when you type longer messages. If you use Telegram on your computer, you can turn it off right now, go into settings, then advanced, and scroll down to experimental. You'll see a toggle for the AI button, just switch it off. This works from version 6.7.4 onwards. On your phone, there's no official toggle yet, but there are a few things you can do. Shorter messages won't trigger it, so for quick replies, you'll never see it. If you're on Android, you can try apps like Forkgram or Mercurygram from F-Droid, and you can request a toggle at suggestions.telegram.org. The desktop version only got the toggle after enough people asked for it, so there's a good chance mobile apps will get one too. For now, it's more of a minor annoyance than anything serious. It only shows on longer messages, and it doesn't affect your privacy or read your chats. Did that sort it out for you? Let me know in the comments what you think of this feature.